Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a minute. Welcome back anyways. If you're new here, don't forget to like, share, subscribe. For this recipe, I'm going to use peppers, carrot, onion, chicken thigh, and soy sauce. The chicken has been cleaned and cut in small bits. So now I'm just going to add some salt, some black pepper, Maggi, and thyme, and then mix everything together. I forgot to add curry, so I'm just going to add that here. Add some oil to a hot pan, and then we're going to fry the chicken until it is golden brown. I like to add bay leaf, onion, ginger, and sometimes thyme to my oil as well. Now the chicken is ready, it's brown, it's exactly how I want it, and we're going to move to the next step. Now I'm going to add the onion, peppers, and carrots that I chopped at the beginning, but I'm going to start with the onion first. Fry that until everything is properly combined, and then we add the soy sauce. Stir that for a bit, and then we'll leave to simmer. Now I'm going to add a bit of water to it and then leave it to simmer as well. After a few minutes, I'm going to add seasoning cubes, salt, thyme, curry. You have to be very careful with the amount of seasoning cube and salt you put in it because the soy sauce can be very salty, so you don't want it too salty. I'm also going to be adding some black pepper and some chili pepper. I like it really spicy, so I tend to add a lot of chili pepper. Now I'm just going to cover and let that cook for a bit. Now finally, I'm going to add some cornstarch to it. With this, you just have to add bit by bit until you get the consistency you want. I don't like it too thick, so I don't add a lot of cornstarch. I just add a little and that's it. Now the sauce is ready and we're going to be having it with rice. It's a very quick and easy recipe that you can try at home. Anyways guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.